नमस्कार मंडळी, मी भाषण करणारच या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपले सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. तुमच्यातल्या भाषण करण्याच्या ऊर्जेला जागे करून एक नवी भाषण चळवळ उभी करणे या उद्देशाने आम्ही आपल्याला सोबत घेऊन काम करतो. आज आपण समजून घेणार आहोत भाषण कलेच्या दृष्टीने अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा प्रकल्प, ज्याचे नाव आहे डेंजरस स्पीच प्रोजेक्ट, म्हणजेच धोकादायक भाषण प्रकल्प. या प्रकल्पाची स्थापना 2010 मध्ये झाली. यामागे 2 मुख्य उद्देश होते. पहिले म्हणजे जे लोकांच्या गटांमधील हिंसाचाराला प्रेरित करते अशा भाषणाचा अभ्यास. दुसरा उद्देश होता अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्याचे, म्हणजे स्वतःला व्यक्त करण्याच्या स्वातंत्र्याचे संरक्षण करताना हिंसाचाराला प्रवृत्त करणारे भाषण कमी करण्याचे मार्ग शोधणे. या प्रकल्पाअंतर्गत 4 मुख्य बिंदूंवर काम केले जाते. पहिले, अनेक देशांमध्ये धोकादायक भाषणाचा मागोवा घेणे आणि अभ्यास करणे. दुसरे, धोकादायक भाषण आणि इतर हानिकारक अभिव्यक्तींच्या प्रभावी प्रतिसादांवर संशोधन करणे. तिसरे, सोशल मीडिया आणि इतर तंत्रज्ञान कंपन्यांना त्यांच्या धोरणांबद्दल सल्ला देणे आणि त्यांना पारदर्शक संशोधनात गुंतण्यासाठी प्रोत्साहित करणे. 4, विविध लोकांना धोकादायक भाषण कल्पना शिकवणे, जे धोकादायक भाषणाचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी आणि त्यांचा प्रतिकार करण्यासाठी यांचा वापर करतात. यापैकी प्रत्येक क्षेत्रात हा प्रकल्प विविध गटांना सोबत घेऊन जवळून काम करतो आणि लेख, अहवाल, पोस्ट लिहून आणि वारंवार चर्चा करून कामाचा प्रचार आणि प्रसार केला जातो. या प्रकल्पामध्ये फक्त धोकादायक भाषणाचा मागोवा घेणे आणि अभ्यास करणे हे केले जात नाही, तर भाषण आणि हिंसा यांच्यातील दुवा अधिक चांगल्या प्रकारे समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला जातो. यामध्ये जगभरातील धोकादायक भाषणाची ऐतिहासिक आणि सध्याच्या काळातील उदाहरणे एकत्रित केली जातात आणि त्यांचे विश्लेषण केले जाते. धोकादायक भाषण ओळखायचे कसे याबद्दल चांगल्या पद्धतीचे मार्गदर्शन संस्था उपलब्ध करून देते. यासोबतच संस्था हानिकारक भाषणाविरोधात प्रभावी प्रतिसाद कसा दिला पाहिजे यावर अभ्यास करते. धोकादायक भाषण आणि इतर हानिकारक लोकसंवादाचे परिणाम कमी करण्यासाठी नवनवीन पद्धतीची भाषणे तयार करून त्यावर मार्गदर्शन व प्रशिक्षण दिले जाते. धोकादायक भाषणाचा प्रभाव कमी करण्यासाठी अनेक कंपन्यांना सल्ला देण्याचे काम या प्रकल्पाचा भाग आहे. यामध्ये द्वेषयुक्त भाषण, महिलांवरील हिंसाचार, निवडणुकांदरम्यान होणारे अपप्रचार इत्यादीवर मार्गदर्शन दिले जाते. धोकादायक भाषण म्हणजे काय हे मुळातून समजून घेऊन त्याचा प्रतिकार करणारे भाषण तयार करणे हा मुख्य उद्देश समोर ठेवून या प्रकल्पाचे काम चालते. विविध देशांमधील धोकादायक भाषणाचा अभ्यास आणि प्रतिकार करण्यासाठी या प्रकल्पाअंतर्गत केले गेलेले संशोधन वापरले गेले आहे. चला तर मग आपण आणखी खोलात जाऊन समजून घेऊया की धोकादायक भाषण कसे ओळखायचे आणि त्यावर काय उपाय करता येतो ते प्रत्यक्ष प्रकल्पाच्या प्रतिनिधीकडून.
Dangerous speech is a special kind of rhetoric or any kind of expression that destructive leaders use to turn one group of people violently against another group. I coined the term dangerous speech after I noticed from studying actual public speech in the months and years before mass violence happened in many parts of the world and in many historical periods, after noticing that this language tends to be uncannily, strikingly similar from case to case, from country to country, from religion to religion, culture to culture, even from one historical period to another. If people could learn to identify this speech that seems to increase the risk of violence, then maybe one could decrease that kind of violence. There's a much more familiar term, of course, which is hate speech. The problem is that it's hard to find two people who would define hate speech in exactly the same way, or who would identify the same sorts of speech as hate speech. It's also true that there's lots of hate speech that isn't dangerous. It's ugly, it's offensive, it's hurtful, but it isn't dangerous in the sense that it doesn't increase the risk that people will condone or commit violence. There's also dangerous speech that isn't hateful at all. At the same time, the fact that this category is specific and narrow can help us to protect freedom of expression, even while preventing hateful and violent discourse. I can't give you a list of words that constitute dangerous speech, unfortunately, because language has such different meanings depending on who's listening and where and in what circumstances. So, to identify which speech is dangerous, you've got to look not only at the speech or expression itself, you should look at 5 elements or signs that can help you to determine whether speech is dangerous in context. The first one is the speaker. Why? Because some people have a much greater capacity to influence what other people think or even what they do. Some people are more charismatic or have some other source of influence, like status that they hold, political office, for example, or maybe they're a religious or cultural figure, or even a sports star. All of those can be sources of influence. The second sign to look at to determine whether speech is dangerous is the audience. In the same way that some speakers are especially influential, some audiences are particularly susceptible. Perhaps they are hungry. Perhaps they're fearful. Perhaps they are particularly inclined to obey sources of authority. The third sign or element that you'd want to look at to determine whether speech is dangerous is the social or historical context. There can be many kinds of context that render speech more dangerous, so I'll give you an example. If there are two groups that are living together in the same place or the same country, and they've already been in conflict in the past, then the same sort of message can be much more inflammatory or dangerous when one of those two groups receives it. The fourth sign or element is the medium. Medium can refer simply to the language in which a message arrives. If a speaker uses the dialect or the jargon or the particular language of a group, then the message sometimes reaches them in a more powerful or more direct way. Medium can also refer to a radio or television station if that's the one that a group is depending on for most of its news. The fifth sign or element of dangerous speech is the content. Although context is very important, of course, we also have to look at the content, and that's where you find those hallmarks or characteristic patterns of dangerous speech. The first one is one I bet you've already heard of. It is dehumanization. If you refer to another group of people as cockroaches or vermin or rats or bacteria or cancer, then you may get people to think of them as not human, as less than human, even as perfectly good to get rid of. The next hallmark is when you tell your own group that the other group is planning to come and attack them, maybe even to wipe them out. In some way, you say that the other group poses an existential threat.
Jews will not replace us! Jews will not replace us!
We call this hallmark accusation in a mirror because it is reversed. You tell one group to fear exactly what you're trying to get them to endorse doing to the other group. This is very powerful because it's like the collective analog of self-defense.
Es ist eine kleine, wurzellose internationale Clique, die die Völker gegeneinander hetzt.
If you can persuade people that they face a mortal threat at the hands of another group, then they'll endorse violence as simply a way of protecting themselves, their children, their neighbors, their families, their group itself. In so many parts of the world, people are divided and they fear one another. In that situation, dangerous speech is unfortunately really a powerful tool. It's important, therefore, for people to learn to identify it so that they can become less susceptible to it themselves, and also so that they can counter it when they see it or hear it.
तुमच्या मनात धोकादायक किंवा हानिकारक भाषणाविषयी काही शंका असतील किंवा आपल्याला आपले मत मांडायचं असेल तर आम्हाला कमेंटमधून संपर्क करा. आम्ही आपल्या शंकेचे समाधान करण्याचा ठोस प्रयत्न करू. आपल्याला हा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला ते आम्हाला कमेंटमधून जरूर कळवा. पुन्हा भेटूया एक नवीन मार्गदर्शक व्हिडिओसह मी भाषण करणारच या आपल्या व्हिडिओ चॅनलवर. धन्यवाद.